everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make steamed rice cake using rice flour, gluten-free vegan idea. It's moist, fluffy, and slightly sweet. Perfect for babies and toddlers as well. Last time when I uploaded the steamed buns recipe, I received some requests for gluten-free version. But actually, steamed rice cake is a very popular idea in Japan. I forgot to share this idea on my channel, so I decided to make this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Mix rice flour, sugar, and baking powder in a bowl. Add soy milk, cooking oil, and vanilla extract, then mix well. Spoon the mixture into the cup up to 80% full. Raise the air bubbles out of the batter. This batter is pretty easy for kids to work with. Add hot water, bring to a boil, then turn down to medium. Cover and steam. Keep the water boiling for 10 minutes. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.いいよ。あら、すごい。
これで終
わってじゃあどうですか？
おいしい。蒸しパン。
蒸しパン。そう。よくわかった。
いくよ。せーの、パカ。上手？
上手。
追加割りみたい。追加割り。それでは皆さん、ごきげんよう。バイバイ。
ちょっとうるさいよ。
じゃあドア閉めとく。
閉めといていいよ。ドア閉めといていいし、ね、叫ばないでやってね。
はい。
Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON.
これ見て、これ見て。